Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to create another recipe on this Winston Joe Discovery, Cooking and Discovery TV channel. I am going to create a spicy curry, chicken curry dish with rice and peas. So these are the recipes, all of the recipes there on the table. Both the rice and peas and also for the spicy chicken curry. So we have black pepper to the left, sea salt, curry. We have bell peppers. We have garlic, and we have the peas in the center. Some call it beans, some call it peas. And we have the seasoning container, the onions, powdered onions, and powdered garlic. And over here, we have the chicken. That will be the hot and spicy chicken curry. And butter will be going in the rice and peas, hot pepper and scallion, rosemary and sage. So these are all the seasoning that will be going into the recipe that I'll be creating here today on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery channel. Probably add in the garlic. Garlic a little bit. Add in the bell peppers. Fragrance is beautiful. Scrumptiously delicious. Alright, washing the red peas. Don't call it red peas, red beans. Still represent the same thing. Alright, red peas washed. I'm not roasting the peas. I'm not parching the peas. That's what she is. And I'm going to add Like that. Activate the colors. I've got to put water. It's slightly. I'm just turning the water. Oil. First I'll be adding some sazon seasoning. Chicken curry. Rest of sea salt. Pepper, salt, and same plant. Alright. Let's make it to the stew. Pepper. Black pepper. On the package says do not rinse, but nonetheless, I'm rinsing it and getting off the extra starch. Right. But it did say do not rinse, so you don't need to wash the rice when it comes to package like that. But not all of them. You need to read the package and make sure that you understand that you can wash and you don't have to wash. But I like to. So I get out all the starch out. You are watching your Winston channel, Cooking Undiscovered TV. I am cooking rice and peas, Jamaican style rice and peas. Even doing the United States, bring my culture with me. Spicy scotch bonnet. And after that, I'll be adding carrots and Irish. Rosemary. That is my hot and spicy Jamaican chicken curry dish. See how rich and how delicious the flavor is looking? Can you imagine the taste? Out of this world. I'm going to add the seasoning and the rest of the ingredients into the pot.
É mais uma produção de qualidade e competência de quem sabe fazer o melhor. John Lucas Remix, inovando sempre.
Thyme is one of the herbal spice. I'm adding some rosemary. Sage. Carolina parboiled brown rice. Butter. Cover her up and let her simmer. Wow, she's looking fabulous. She's looking fabulous. Right. Fantastic. Fantastic. That is the rice and peas. The Jamaican style rice and peas. On Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery. Check it out. Fantastic. Chili. Perfectly right. And tastes awesome. Alright. We're at the end of the journey. This is the dish that I've created on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV channel. So there you go. You have the spicy chicken curry with Jamaican style rice and peas and an array of salad. You have basil lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and bacon bits. So the only thing you have to do is add your choice of salad dressing that you like on your salad. We have carrots on the plate, we have potatoes, and we have the chicken, of course, and the rice and peas. So that is the dish that I've created here today for dinner. So it is tasting fantastically delicious, scrumptiously delicious, yummy, delicious.